What's going on, guys? Cool Trainer Camilo here. Today is finally the day. Today, the iPhone 12 Pro Max and 12 Mini are launched today. Now, these phones were announced back, I believe, October 12th. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have been out for a few weeks now, but these phones were delayed a few weeks. But I'm really excited to get my hands on it. I really love the iPhone. I currently have the iPhone 10, and I haven't upgraded in the past few years because I felt like the upgrades that they were making weren't that big every year. But I felt like when they announced the iPhone 12, it was a pretty big jump. We have a brand new design, which actually kind of reminds me of the iPhone 5. This year's iPhones all include 5G, which is the new wireless standard, for incredibly fast download speeds. All the iPhone 12s this year also have MagSafe. We'll get into that in a little bit. And the camera quality on these phones is insane. I really want to test out what the video looks like, what the pictures that come off of it look like. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. So here we have the box. I did get the blue 256 gigabyte. Last time when I got the iPhone 10, I got 64 gigabyte because I thought I didn't use that much data. Yeah, 64 gigabyte was not enough. Thankfully, for the base model of the iPhone 12 Pro, it starts at 128, so that's a decent amount of space. I just decided to go for 256 because I love taking pictures, I love taking video, so I don't want to fill it up. Oh, another thing to note, the iPhone boxes are a lot thinner now because they decided to remove the charging brick from it. Now, I get where they're coming from this. They don't want to include charging bricks because they did the same thing with the Apple Watch. But my one grief with this is they only started doing the fast charging brick, which is like the bigger charging brick that has USB-C in it, last year. So unless you're upgrading from last year's iPhone, you already have that brick. I don't have that brick, so I'm probably gonna have to fork over another $20 to get that, but oh well. Here we have iPhone. Time for the plastic. It's big. The big chungus himself. Whoa. This blue actually looks really insane. Okay, we'll put that down for a second. In the box, you get designed by Apple in California. We should get our SIM ejector and a singular Apple sticker. Gotta love my Apple stickers. And you do get the lone Lightning to USB-C. I kind of wish that they had switched to just like a USB-C cable, but knowing Apple, I feel like they're gonna remove the port entirely before they even try USB-C. That's it, nothing in the box much. You get your iPhone and then a cable. Okay, this is pretty heavy, but it's been a while since I had a big phone like this. I had the iPhone 10, so when that one came out, there was no big phone. It was just like, you got the iPhone 10. Because before that, I had the iPhone 7 Plus, and that was about this size. So I guess I'm gonna have to get used to getting a bigger phone again. Oh my God, it's so big. Oh, it's like a little tablet. One of the main reasons I did go for the Pro Max is because this year, unlike previous years, they made the camera better on the Pro Max than the iPhone 12 Pro. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a bigger sensor on all the cameras, so they will let more light in, so you'll have better low light photos. They're saying it's 87% better, but I think that's better than last year's iPhone, not the iPhone 12 Pro, not Max. They've also introduced sensor shift stabilization. So normally when you have video stabilization, the lens in the camera moves around to like account for you moving. But in this phone, the sensor itself moves to accommodate for that. So that should make your videos more stable and it should work better for night mode too. One thing I am really excited for that the pros have this year is this little LiDAR scanner. This will really help with AR games and night mode photography. Okay, let's boot up the chungus up. I did also get a case. I was thinking about getting the clear case because that's what I usually go for, but they didn't have any in stock. So I decided to go with the blue case. Actually, I never really buy the Apple branded cases, but I figured, let's try it this time. So let's talk about MagSafe. MagSafe is a new way to charge your iPhone. Basically, on the back of the phone, there is a magnetic ring that Apple's gonna be selling these magnetic chargers. I didn't buy one yet, but they will allow you to charge your phone wirelessly or reliably. Because sometimes when you put your phone down on a wireless charger, you kind of miss it. And then like, if you don't know you missed it, it could go the whole night without you charging it. So I think the MagSafe is pretty cool. They actually integrated it into the case. So when you put your phone in a case, I think it should register. Yep, and then it lights up the color of whatever the case was. That's actually really cool. Oh my God, this screen is so large. Okay, well, I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna be back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the phone is still setting up. I took it out of the case just to get a look at it more, and I did notice that the edges are like super smudgy. So I'm probably gonna be keeping it in the case. I thought we would do some comparisons to some iPhones that I already have. So old iPhone, iPhone 10 to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, this is kind of blowing my mind. And I also have an iPhone 10R here to compare it to. It's like a tad bigger. I am excited for the bigger screen because watching videos on this was like, okay. Because like, yeah, it's like a 5.8 inch screen, but by the time that the video like covers the sides, it's kind of like a small screen to watch videos on. This is gonna be crazy to watch videos on. I'm really excited for this. And since it's the Pro Max, it's a huge phone, which means a huge battery. So that'll be really cool. I hear if you're not like super pushing it, you can get 2 days out of it. If you're like really trying to kill it, maybe like a day and a few hours. But I think if you really push it, it can like go more than a day, which is crazy. But anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. I just wanna like test out this phone. I may make a follow-up video giving you my thoughts on it because I really wanna put this thing through its paces. Don't forget to Super Smash Bros. That like button down below if you enjoyed this video. And I guess I'll catch you in the next one.